Hey guys, we're gonna be eating candy bars and see if you can follow along with us and see. And I'm gonna open them and try them. And I'm gonna do up. And if I do this, that means I'm good. This time if I do this, that means it's bad. Can I break this apart?
Kit Kat. What do you think? One thumb up? Okay. Snickers.
Snickers. I really like both. I like part of it bad, part of it good.
Chew the food up. One thumb up on it too?
This is a Reese Cup. Okay.
What do you think of the Reese Cup?
Good, I'm doing a thumbs up.
Just one thumbs up? Just one? Two thumbs up on the Reese's? So it's your favorite so far?
Twix.
Alright, set it down. Set it down. Two thumbs down? So you thought the Reese...
No, this. I did my mom.
You give it two thumbs up too? So you got the Reese Cup and Twix tied with two thumbs up?
Yeah.
And then Snickers and
What's up?
Kit Kat with one thumb down?